Hello everyone. Happy November 19th. Today we celebrate entrepreneurs, men's health, and the joy of bold ideas. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, Ma. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Entrepreneurs Day, a salute to dreamers, doers, and risk-takers. A great gift could be a business planning journal, a motivational book, or a productivity toolkit. Know a brilliant entrepreneur? Let's celebrate them in the comments. Next, it's International Men's Day, a day to recognize positive male role models and men's health awareness. A thoughtful gift could be a wellness tracker, a journal for reflection, or a donation to a men's health cause. Who inspires you with strength and kindness? Let's give them a shout-out.
Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later.
And finally, it's World Toilet Day, a quirky but important reminder of global sanitation needs. A sweet gift could be a bathroom upgrade kit, a funny toilet-themed mug, or a donation to clean water initiatives. Let's flush away stigma in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events, and be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for December 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.